Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the Zoom web portal and signing in with admin or host rights. Go straight to Settings, then Meeting, and scroll to In Meeting, Advanced. This is where Captions live. Turn on closed captioning, and if you want automatic captions, enable live transcript as well. Once done, make sure the toggle applies to your account or group. You need these switches on before enabling captions in a live meeting, so don't skip this step. Join the meeting as host and locate More on the toolbar. Click it to reveal live transcript options. You can enable auto-transcription for instant, AI-generated captions, or assign a captioner if accuracy matters and you have a human provider. If you assign, copy the captioner's token into the dialog box and send it to them. Alternatively, allow participants to type captions manually by enabling the participant caption option. Make sure to confirm the chosen method so captions start immediately. Tell participants to click Live Transcript and select Show Subtitle or View Full Transcript to see captions. After the meeting, you as host can save the transcript. Zoom stores it as a VTT or text file in the meeting folder. If captions stop working, stop and restart Live Transcript or reassign the captioner. That resolves most issues quickly. Also check that the meeting's recording settings didn't override captions. If problems persist, sign out and back in, then retry enabling captions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.